Why do hiccups exist? They're a glitch from our fish ancestors. Hiccups start in the brainstem, a primitive region that controls reflexes. When your phrenic nerve misfires, your diaphragm spasms and your vocal cords snap shut, creating that hic sound. But here's the kicker. Babies hiccup in the womb to strengthen breathing muscles. Scientists think hiccups evolved 370 million years ago, when our lungfish ancestors transitioned from gills to lungs. Even crazier, the cure, holding breath, mimics how tadpoles close their gills. So next time you hiccup, blame evolution's beta testing phase. Want more weird science? Subscribe to World Fact, we're full of glitches. Credits, none available.